Hey y'all, Dana with Sullivan Family Homestead here, and today I am going to show you how I make pumpkin spice cookies the cheater way. So as I said, I'm going to show you guys how I make pumpkin spice cookies a quick and simple and easy way. Not organic, not all natural, but quick and simple, in a flash. Hey, you've been invited to a holiday party and you've got to come up with something now. This is part of a collaboration from Two Family Homestead. They're doing a holiday desserts collaboration, and you've got to check it out. There are some amazing recipes in this collaboration. You guys aren't going to want to miss it. So head on over to Two Family Homestead's YouTube channel and check out their playlist, and they'll have all of the videos from everybody who's participating so that you can see them all. Let's get started. Okay guys, this recipe is so easy. Here's everything you're going to need. Your mixing bowl, your mixer, a box of golden butter or yellow cake mix, whichever variety you prefer, a can of pumpkin, and this is just the standard 15-ounce can, so just a small can of pumpkin, and then some pumpkin pie spice. Now, if you want to just make pumpkin cookies, you can omit the spice, that's not a problem, and you can adjust the spice to your liking. I happen to like a lot of spice in my pumpkin spice cookies, so I'm going to be using a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then the 1 can of pumpkin and the 1 box of cake mix mixed up in the mixer, and then drop by the spoonfuls onto a cookie sheet. From there, we have our oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to put that cookie sheet with the cookies into the oven, and they're going to go in there for 13 to 15 minutes. Now, of course, this is going to depend entirely on your oven, so you'll want to check it at 13 and see how it goes, and then go from there. What you're going to want to do, drop the cake mix. You're just going to drop everything into the bowl. Now, I've got one hand here today, so I'm going to go ahead and get the pumpkin put in and the spice put in, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, now that we've got our cake mix, the pumpkin, and the spice mixed in here, we're just going to give it a good blend until it's all incorporated. And then we're going to drop it by spoonfuls onto the cookie sheet. Now, one thing I didn't mention, I'm going to go ahead and mix that up a little bit more here in just a second. One thing I didn't mention is that you want your cookie sheet either to be sprayed down with cooking spray, or you can line it with a piece of parchment paper. Either way, you want it to have something down there so your cookies don't stick. Alright, we're going to mix this up really good, and then we're going to start dropping the spoonfuls onto the cookie sheet. We'll be right back. Alright, I've got my batter all mixed up, so I'm just going to take my little scoop and drop onto the cookie sheet. I'm not really filling it totally full, but this gives me a good basic standard size cookie. These cookies come out really light and fluffy. I'm going to say like a cake cookie, and you're going to say, duh, it's made with cake mix. But yes, that's exactly it, a cake cookie. So it's got a nice soft demeanor to it and a whole lot of flavor. So I'll be back after these are finished to show you the end result. Okay everybody, here we go, the finished product, a nice, wonderful, soft and fluffy pumpkin spice cookie. Look at this. Soft like cake, what'd I say? There's the crumble. It's absolutely wonderful, and they taste amazing. Now, you can put, once they come out of the oven, you can sprinkle them with some powdered sugar, Or you can make a glaze with powdered sugar and just a little milk and drizzle it over the top, which is wonderful. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to leave them plain because I'm getting ready to take them to a craft group class. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you check out all of the other videos in the collaboration. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Make sure that you check out the other channels and the other videos and like their channels as well. And I hope we'll see you again next time. Until then, bye for now.